Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about exercise 3.4, question number 2, remaining questions of class 10 mathematics. We have already done that what is theorem of comparendo and dividendo. So the remaining questions, question number 2, part number 7. Solve it. For numerator we have value x square plus 2, then plus square root x square minus 2 denominator. We have square root x square plus 2 and then minus square root x square minus 2. Now we need to solve it. We have already knowledge is equal to 2 also. This is an equation. So we need to solve this. First we can see that this is square root x square plus 2, this is again square root x square plus 2, both are same. This is square root x square minus 2 with square root sign, and this is again square root x square minus 2. But between them, there is positive sign and here is negative sign. So we can say that comparendo and dividendo theorem has been applied here. So we can apply here comparendo and dividendo formula again to solve this. But the pattern we need to apply here is numerator is for positive and for denominator for negative. So apply comparendo and dividendo theorem. For right hand side, you can see that 2, but for denominator, you need 2. If there is nothing, then we can apply 1. Nothing makes any difference because every number denominator, for denominator, if we need to write it within form of fraction, then 1 is must change. So apply comparendo and dividendo theorem. I will apply it directly. So first we need to write here numerator, then plus sign, and then denominator, now positive sign will not make any sign effect on it. No sign will be changed there. Okay. Now for denominator, we need to write here first numerator as it is. After that positive sign. And then negative sign. But after negative sign, you know that all the signs will be changed. So this positive will be negative. And this negative will be positive. Is equal to this is 2 and this is 1. Again for this, just like for left hand side, comparendo and dividendo, numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. So now square root x square minus 2 positive, negative will be cancelled, and then square root x square plus 2 and negative square root x square plus 2 will be cancelled. So square root x square plus 2 plus again square root x square plus 2. Its coefficient is 1 and its coefficient is also 1. So 1 plus 1, answer is 2. Square root x square plus 2, and for denominator, positive 1 and then again positive 1 will make 2 after addition, square root x square minus 2 plus 1 answer is 3, 2 minus 1 answer is 1. So now this 2 you cancel to this 2. Now we need to find this value of x, but this x is under square root sign. We can write it as, or we can apply square on both sides, we can write it as within one square root apply square on it is equal to 3 divided by answer is also 3. So 3 and square on it. This square cancel this square root. So you are left with only x square plus 2 over x square minus 2 is equal to 9. Now, after cross multiplication, 9x square minus 9 2s are 18. So, after that, this x square will be negative there, this minus 18 will be positive there. So 2 plus 18 is equal to 9x square minus x square. 9x square minus x square answer is 8x square is equal to 18 plus 2, that is 20. So 8 will be divided there. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So x square is equal to 5 by 2. Now this is the value of x square, but we need to find the value of x. So apply square root on both sides. The square cancel with this square root, the positive negative, square root 5 by 2. And that's it. This was your part number 7. For part number 8, again is the same thing. Part number 8 is square root x square plus 8b square minus square root x square minus b square, and denominator again is the same thing but with positive sign. Between them is equal to 1 by 3. Now again we need to solve this. But how you can solve? You can see that both numerators are same. This is square root h square plus 8b square. This is again like this, and this is again square root h square minus b square. This is again like this. Between them there is a negative sign, and between them there is positive sign. So we can conclude that componendo and dividendo theorem we need to apply here. So, but for numerator we need to apply here for negative sign, and for denominator for positive sign. So apply componendo and dividendo theorem. First is numerator. And then negative sign, just because of this negative sign. And after negative sign, all the sign must be changed. So denominator x square plus 8b square, then negative and then again numerator minus square root x square minus b square. After that, positive sign in the denominator. On the right hand side, again, numerator minus denominator. This is minus just because of between them there is minus. So minus sign we need to apply it, and then numerator plus denominator. Now cancel this positive one with this negative one, and then this negative one with this positive one, and you are left with only negative x square minus p square square root, again negative square root x square minus p square minus 2 square root x square minus p square divided by square root x square plus 8p square. Again this thing. So 1 plus 1, 2 x square plus 8p square is equal to 1 minus 3, answer is minus 2 divided by 1 plus 3, answer is 4. So this 2 cancel with this 2. This negative sign will cancel to this negative sign. This 2 ones are 2 and this is 2 to the 4. So we are left here with bigger square root sign. Now you need to get rid of this square root sign. So squaring up both sides. This square cancel with this square root. You are left with x square minus p square divided by x square plus 8p square is equal to, after applying square on 8, 1 over 4. After cross multiplication, 4x square minus 4p square is equal to x square plus 8p square. Now, select values relevant to x square. 4x square minus x square is equal to 8p square plus 4p square. 4x square minus x square, answer is 3x square. 8p square plus 4p square is equal to 12p square. This 3 will divide on the other side. 3 4s are 12. Now you are left with x square is equal to 4p square. Again, we need the value of x only. So apply square root on both sides. Now 4 square root is 2. This square cancel with this square root, and positive and negative sign is must for it. And that's it. This is the value of x. For the last part of this exercise is x plus 5 whole cube minus x minus 3 whole cube divided by x plus 5 whole cube. Again the same thing, but with positive sign, is equal to 13 divided by 14. Now you can see that x plus 5 whole cube, again x plus 5 whole cube, and x minus 3 whole cube again. So between them there is negative sign in the numerator, and between them there is positive sign in the denominator. So you need to apply here again componendo and dividendo, but negative for numerator and positive for denominator. Apply componendo and dividendo theorem. First you need to write the numerator, that is x plus 5 whole cube, This is numerator, and then positive sign, or sorry, negative sign. After negative sign, you need to make change to all the signs, so both signs must be changed. Minus x minus 3. So now, numerator. After that, positive sign, and then denominator. Also for right hand side is equal to numerator, just like this, negative sign between them, then denominator and then numerator, then plus denominator. Now you can cancel x plus 5 whole cube positive with negative value, and then this positive with this negative value, and we are left with minus x minus 3 whole cube. Again, x minus 3 whole cube will make minus 2 x minus 3 whole cube divided by x plus 5 whole cube plus x plus 5 whole cube plus 2 x plus 5 whole cube is equal to 13 minus 14 minus 1 divided by 27. 2 cancel with this 2, this negative sign cancel with this negative. Now you can write it as x minus 3 divided by x plus 5 whole cube is equal to 1 over 27. But you know that 27 is cube of 3. So you can write it as whole cube form 1 over 3 whole cube. Now you need to find the value of x. You can see that x is inside this cubic value, so you need to get rid of this cube side. For that purpose, you need to apply cube rule on both sides. For this time, there is no square, so we need to apply here square root, cube root rather than square root sign. So cube root sign is this. After that, x minus 3 divided by x plus 5 whole cube is equal to 1 over 3 whole cube, and this will be cube root. This 3 cancel to this 3. This 3 also cancel to this 3. And you are left with x minus 3 over x plus 5 is equal to 1 over 3. Now, after cross multiplying, 3x minus 3 3 is 27 is equal to x plus 5. X will be negative here, minus 27 will be positive there. So we are left with 3x minus 2x, 3x minus x is equal to 27 plus 5. This will be 2x is equal to 27 plus 5. Answer is 32. So 2 will be divided there. 32 divided by 2, and 2 16s are 30. So the value of x here is 16. This was exercise number 3.4 with all the theorems that we have done. After that, we will discuss about some other things relevant to this chapter number 3. Now for we need to review this question x minus 3.
सर माइनस 37 की जगह 9 आएगा.
Okay. Now for exercise 3.5. Sorry, one thing we need to confirm is Yes. The thing was, the disturbance was 3x minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to x plus y. Okay, that was something. X will be negative here and minus 9 will be positive here. So 3x minus x is equal to 9 plus 5. Yes. This will be 2x is equal to 14. So 2 will be divided there. Now that was the correction relevant to the previous question. This was exercise 3.4 completed. Now for next exercise, exercise 3.5, we need to review about some things. The first thing is, what about joint variation? So for joint variation,